In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to check your rating on chess.com quickly and easily. Whether you're trying to track your progress, compare different game modes, or just see how much you've improved, this is something every chess.com user should know. Stick around because I'll walk you through the exact steps step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find all your ratings. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to chess.com, then log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. This is where you can access all the core features of chess.com. Now, in that left-hand menu, find the option labeled Play. Go ahead and hover your mouse over Play, and this will reveal a drop-down menu with more options. From that drop-down, click on Stats. This is the section where all your performance data and ratings are stored. Once you click on Stats, you'll be taken to your personal statistics page. This page gives you a full overview of your chess performance across different time formats. Now, to actually see your ratings, scroll down the page a bit. Here, you'll find your ratings broken down into different categories. These include Bullet, Blitz, Rapid, and the Daily. Each one represents a different style and time control of chess, so your rating can vary depending on how you perform in each format. For example, Bullet is for very fast games, Blitz is slightly slower, Rapid gives you more time to think, and daily games can last multiple days. As you scroll, you'll also notice additional stats like your highest rating, recent performance, and game history. This can be really useful if you're trying to analyze your improvement over time. And that's it. That's exactly how you check your rating on chess.com. It only takes a few clicks, and once you know where to look, you can check your progress anytime you want. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss more quick and easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.